Genius plant care hacks using household items, DIY gardening tips. Did you know that some of the best plant care solutions are already in your kitchen? Forget expensive fertilizers and pesticides. Today, we're revealing 8 genius DIY plant care hacks using everyday household items like banana peels, eggshells, coffee grounds, brown sugar, white vinegar, baking soda, ginger, and even beer. These simple ingredients not only boost plant growth, improve soil health, and keep pests away, but are eco-friendly pesticide and fertilizer. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from the beautiful luxury. Let's grow together. First on the list is banana peels, the natural fertilizer. Yes, banana peels. Don't throw them away. These peels are packed with potassium and phosphorus, essential nutrients for strong plant roots and vibrant blooms. You can chop banana peels and bury them in the soil, or blend them with water for an easy, homemade liquid fertilizer. Your plants will love it. 2. Eggshells, calcium boost. Next, let's talk about eggshells. These are rich in calcium, which helps prevent issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers. Crush the shells into small pieces and mix them into the soil, or soak them in water overnight for a nutrient-rich plant drink. 3. Coffee grounds, soil enrichment, and pest control. Love coffee? Your plants do too. Used coffee grounds add nitrogen to the soil, helping plants grow lush and green. They also repel pests like ants and slugs. Just sprinkle coffee grounds around your plants or mix them into compost for even better results. 4. Brown sugar, microbe booster. Brown sugar isn't just for sweetening your tea. It also feeds beneficial microbes in the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients better. Just sprinkle a teaspoon around your plants once a month and you'll see stronger, healthier growth. 5. White vinegar, pH balancer and pest repellent. Next, let's talk about white vinegar. If your plants love acidic soil, like roses and blueberries, vinegar can help balance the pH. Mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar with a liter of water and use it once a month. It's also great for keeping ants, snails, and weeds away. But be careful. Too much vinegar can harm plants, so use it sparingly. 6. Baking soda, fungal fighter and tomato sweetener. Baking soda isn't just for baking, it's a natural fungus fighter. Mix 1 teaspoon with a liter of water and spray it on leaves to prevent powdery mildew and fungal diseases. And here's a gardening secret. Sprinkling baking soda around your tomato plants can reduce soil acidity, making your tomatoes taste sweeter. 7. Ginger, root growth and natural insecticide. Ginger isn't just a health booster, it's great for plants too. Ginger water encourages stronger root growth and acts as a natural insect repellent. Blend fresh ginger with water, strain it, and use it to water your plants once a month for healthier, stronger roots. Finally, beer, soil, conditioner, and slug trap. Yes, even beer can help your garden. The yeast and nutrients in beer enrich the soil and boost microbial activity. It also works as a slug and snail trap. Just pour a little beer into a shallow dish and leave it overnight. Pests will be attracted to it, keeping your plants safe. And there you have it. 8 amazing plant care hacks using simple household items. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with fellow plant lovers. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more expert gardening tips from the beautiful luxury. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.